Hello everybody. This looks like a return control board. Apparently I think I missed something here. I'm going to check what's going on. Just want to see which controller. And I want to see what's the issue there. Okay, I think I remember this one. Let me see. Okay, that's awesome. So that's from the wine cooler. And I remember there was a swollen capacitor on this one, I believe. And there's a circuit diagram that the customer sent me, which is great. I'm just gonna see if I can find any other issues, because I probably missed something here. But let's see what I can find. Okay. Oh yeah. I remember I replaced those 3 diodes. But apparently it didn't fix the issue. Okay, so let's do some more digging and see if I can find any issue. Okay. I hope it's not the main chip. Then it will be hard to find, most likely. Okay, this diode is good. Okay, what about this fuse? Fuse is good. Yeah, I replaced those 3 diodes. They're still good. Oh, no, everything seems to be okay here. I'm gonna test those capacitors and see. Let's see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them here. Let's see if I can find any problems. That's the one, right? Right here. Okay, this is a good capacitor board, but this one doesn't show nothing. Hold on. Am I? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a good capacitor. That's a good one. So far we have 3 good capacitors. Let's see this one. Yeah, the capacitors are good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me just see those diodes. I think it's good. It's just getting some feedback. I think the diodes are good. The bad diodes I already replaced. Yeah. Okay, so far everything seems to be okay. Let's test those. I wonder, maybe it's this transformer what's fried on this. Let me just see. I'm gonna check the schematic right away, the wiring diagram. See if I can find any issues. Yeah, this capacitor is good. What about this one right there? Yeah, I think the capacitors are good, but I can see that there is one trace line that's going. There's two of them actually. One is going all the way to here, and it's connected with a bunch of, like, a relay here. It's connected to one leg on a relay, one leg on the diode, and it's going through the capacitors. It's one trace line. See how it's all solder? And then the other one is going to here, connected through those triacs, I believe those triacs, and they go through. There's a loop coming from another. It's either a triac or a transistor. I have to check. And it's going through all these guys and stops right there. Well, there is a relay here. This is a relay. I don't remember if I tested it. 12-volt DC, 20 amps. But this relay is quite interesting because it only has. This relay is actually the relay that's powering the whole system. Looks like. Is it the wide? Oh yeah, there's 4 legs on this relay. Okay, so looks like this is the main relay that's powering the system. So the power is coming in from here directly to this relay. Most likely those ones are the coils. I will check, and then from here it will transfer the power to here, to what is this there? J7 to, what about this transformer? The transformer is, okay, I will apply some power here. I think it's a 120 volt, and I will test, because once I apply the power, the relay should either open and close. Let's just see what's the resistance on this relay. Should be the coil. No? Is that the coil? No. Strange. Okay, so we might have a bad relay. Because where is the coil? Like, okay, let's see. Let's see the wiring diagram. Okay, so what we have here? We have the microcomputer. So this is the controller right there. And we have, where is the main power? The main power is black, yellow and white between live and neutral. So between N and L and what is this? L1. That doesn't say L1, just say L. Okay. So this is the plug. Okay. It's hard to see here, but I think I have a better photo. Okay, so the compressor is going through the white. So between N, neutral, either L1 or L, but I can't see. I can apply between neutral or L1 or neutral and L. I think it's gonna be still okay. Between neutral and L1 is gonna go to one leg on the relay, and the other leg will go through the varistor, and the varistor, the capacitor, and it will go to the transformer. Between L1 and L, let me just, I think the customer sent me a better picture. Let me log into the schematic and I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, I found, so the customer sent me a few things here. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear. So anyways, it's working, but it's beeping. Okay, so that's not good. Now let's see if I can, okay, this is much better. I hope I can zoom in. Okay, it's hard to see still, but red. Okay, this is the I think that says transformer. Okay, so I will apply power between neutral and L, but before that I wanna test this relay and see where the coil is really, because there's 4 legs on this relay, but I don't see any resistance, and there should be a coil, and it is a relay. 12 volt DC. Yeah, it looks like this is a relay, most likely for the compressor, because it's a bigger relay. So okay, so the coil is right here. What about here? Nothing. So here's the coil. Yeah, so those two are the coil. Okay, let's apply power and see what I can find. And it's 12 DC, okay? So right here. Oh, sorry. Output, here you go. Okay. I think we have a problem here. I want to see something. Just for testing purposes. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to release the relay, see if it's gonna make any difference. But I think we have a problem with this relay. Just one moment. No. I believe I found the issue. So looks like this. I'm gonna apply power. I just want to make sure I apply power in the right place, because I don't see, like, it's not really clear here and I can't really read this. So I just want to make sure I apply power in the right place. Most likely it's from the neutral to either L1 or L. And but the problem I see is that this relay, which most likely the main relay for the compressor, I don't think it's good. I'm just gonna do a quick search here for this relay. Oh, careful, it's getting hot here. JQX-102F-B. Okay. Is that the one? How many pins is that? Yeah, I think it's the one. 4 pins. Yeah. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to zoom in. But look, the coil is on those 2 legs. So basically when I apply power here, those legs should either open or close. But when I apply power to here, like here, I found the coil. Coil is right there. I think I might be able to get it, but I think it's available. I will check a few more places. It's not too bad. It's only $10, and I think it's yeah, $2 shipping, so it's not too bad. But I just want to show you guys here. So this is the relay. Okay, you have 4 legs, and this looks identical. 2 legs are wider and then the other 2 are narrower. So you see, this is the coil. So there is a resistance here, 157.7 ohms. Perfect. But it's a 12 volt DC, and I put my leads for 12 volt DC, and I'm just gonna show you. One second, my multimeter is going crazy. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let me turn this off. Maybe it's, this guy is sending too much signal. Something is, maybe it's, I don't know, whatever. I don't know why it's going crazy like that. Okay, anyways, so we have 12 volt. Okay, so if it's a good relay and this is the coil, I should apply power here. Oh, I heard it now. Where is it coming from? This beep. Is it from the board? I might release the relay, but I still want to replace this relay because I don't think this relay is good, to be honest with you. You see it's stuck again. Let's try it again. Yeah, see? Okay, now it's yeah, it's, I mean, now it's working, but I just wanna, it was stuck for some time. Okay, let's see if I'm getting anything on this end while applying power there. Nothing. See? Yeah, this relay is dead. This relay is dead. Yeah. Okay, so this relay is basically connected to the L1 and L2, which is showing power, because there is the customer sent me a video showing the power. The power is there. Where is it? View. See? Okay, I think this is what we hear. So I applied power between neutral and L, and I think this is what we hear, what the customer hear when he put the power on. Now what I want to do, so this is live, okay? I want to see let's see if I can apply power. Be careful, don't touch anything here. Let's measure for power. Let's see if I can find anything. So what we have here, I'm just trying to find the 120. It's very interesting because I'm applying power between, I can't remember, I think it's neutral and L1 or L2, and when I do test from here to here, it's showing me 0, but then from here to here it's showing me 120. Okay, let me just see something here. Yeah, let me just see, because I want to see something. Let me unplug it. Okay, so why I'm not getting power between here and here, and I'm getting power between. Okay, something I don't understand. I don't understand why between N and L right here I'm getting 120, but when I check it on those two pins I'm getting 0. Doesn't make sense. Let's try between N and L1. Let's see if this will make any difference. I don't understand why I'm not getting power here between those two. And I should. I'm only getting 6 volts, but here I'm getting 120. $8 volt. Interesting. $120 on this side, same pins on the other side. I'm getting 7 volts. Just a short recap on this board. I think I was just missing one more connection. So there is neutral, line 1 or L, and then line 1. I just put 120 in between those two, and then if I test it with one lead out, like for example, I'm just putting my plus here and I'm just testing on the legs, I do get power on a single leg. So I think I'm missing one more leg here, the neutral, and that's the reason why it doesn't want to start. That's basically a safety feature for the circuit, but I think I have to replace this relay. I will keep you posted on this one. So far I just found one issue. This is the relay. I didn't find any other issues. It looks like the power is going through the board, no problems, but I just need to replace this relay because I think this relay might be sticky, and that's why it's causing this beeping like what the customers experience. I'm going to test also. What is this? This is also a relay. Oh, those ones are 30 volt DC relay. That's interesting. Looks like the coil is right here. Yeah, this is one coil and this is the other coil. This one is 30 volt DC. Let's see. Just gonna, maybe I'll start with 20 and then we'll go from there. Or actually let's put 12. Is it gonna open anything or no? No, it's not enough. Let's do 30 then, whatever. Ooh, I didn't like that. It's 30 and 5 amps. Let's put maybe 25. Where is it? 25 and oh, current we'll put maybe, what is this, 5. Let's do 3. Let's see. Okay, I found bad relay for sure. Yeah, see, I got a little zap here, but this relay is good. This one definitely doesn't want to open. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to replace those two relays and this relay, and I will send it to the customer, and hopefully it will fix the issue. If it's not gonna fix the issue, then it's gonna be the main chip, but I don't think I can find it. I'll start with those three components, and I'll keep you posted on the repair. I hope they are available, and thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. But those relays seems to be the issue here, especially this one, the one that I just got a little flash. This one works, but this one's, yeah. So 2 relays, 1 big relay, send it to the customer, see what he says. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.